This is your daily dose of AI. Anthropic just published their 2026 Agentic Coding Trends Report, 18 pages on how coding agents are reshaping software development, and the number one finding is that the developer role is shifting from writing code to supervising agents. Here are the 8 trends. Developer roles shift from writing code to supervising agents. Multi-agent systems replace single-agent workflows. Agents complete 20-plus actions autonomously before needing human input. That is double what was possible 6 months ago. And these are the ones that matter most. The spec becomes the product, not the code. Non-technical teams are building their own software, and orchestration becomes the core engineering skill. Anthropic is literally saying that the ability to direct AI agents is now the most important skill in software engineering. This is the new world. This is AI orchestration. Subscribe to be enlightened.